Hello and welcome everybody, my name is the IT Guy and today we'll be looking at how to enable firewall rules in Ubuntu 18.04. So over here you'll be able to enable and disable rules and see if they are enabled or not. But the first thing we'll need to do is see if the firewall is actually enabled or not. So we are using Ufw, the uncomplicated firewall as they call it. So to see the status of the firewall, you first of all need to do the sudo ufw status. And this will show us that the status is currently inactive, so the firewall is not enabled. So what we want to do right now is we want to get a list of applications that are installed on the server right now. So we want to do Ufw App List. And this, we of course need to give ourselves sudo rights here. Sudo, just like that. So the available applications right now are OpenSSH. So this server is only running OpenSSH. But once we enable Ufw, once we enable the firewall, we want to be sure that OpenSSH is actually an allowed application. Otherwise, we're going to be locked out of our server. So the first thing we'll want to do is Ufw. So sudo, of course, sudo Ufw. Allow, and then we want to copy exactly, this is case sensitive of course, OpenSSH. So this is the way we're going to do this. So we're going to allow OpenSSH application using the Ufw command, just like that, and the rules have been updated. So right now we can go ahead and enable our firewall because now we see that OpenSSH, which is the service we wanted to open up the ports for. The rules have been updated, and so now if we enable the Ufw profiles, the Ufw profile over here, this will not be an issue. So let's do Ufw enable. Of course, sudo, I always forget. Just do yes. So the firewall is active and enabled on system startup. So now, right now, we are running as a firewall on the server. The firewall is enabled, and we want to make sure that it is enabled by doing sudo Ufw status. And this will show us that it is active right now, and also it will show us that OpenSSH is allowed from anywhere. So this is just a basic way to open firewall ports on your Ubuntu 18.04 server using the uncomplicated firewall or the Ufw command. I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, please leave a like and a comment below. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.